How to set up Robinhood account for a child. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up a Robinhood account for a child, or more accurately, how to help your child get started with investing the right way. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. First thing is that Robinhood only allows users who are 18 or older, so your child can't legally have a Robinhood account in their own name if they are underage. The best option is to use Custodial account like with platforms such as Fidelity or Acrons. These let parents or guardians invest on behalf of their children. Now, next step is that use your Robinhood account. If you still want to use Robinhood, you can use your own account and manage investment for your child, but the account must stay on your name. Now, even if they can't legally have an account, it's a great idea to teach your child about investing. Let them help pick stocks, track their growth, and learn how the market works. And that's how to help your children get started with investing, even if they can't have a Robinhood account yet. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. And comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.